Hello student, in this lecture we want to study the order and molecularity of the reaction. What is mean by order and what is mean by molecularity of the reaction? Order of reaction, suppose consider a hypothetical reaction in which A moles of A combine with B moles of a B, formation of a product. Now, according to the law of mass action, what is the rate? Rate is directly proportional to the concentration of A raised to the power A and concentration of a B raised to the power B expressed in a mole per dm cube. Now remove this proportionality sign, add a new constant that is called a rate constant K. This is called a rate law expression. So in this rate law expression, A be the number of moles of A and B be the number of moles of B. So in this, what is the molecularity of reaction? Molecularity of reaction means the total number of moles taking part in the reaction. Sum of total number of moles of A and B taking part in the reaction, that is called a molecularity. So A plus B, it is called a molecularity of the reaction. But experimentally it is found that all the molecules of A or all the molecules of B does not take part in the reaction. Suppose X be the number of moles of A and Y be the number of moles of B actually taking part in the reaction, then what is the rate law expression? R equal to K, A raised to the power X and B raised to the power Y, where X plus Y, it is called a order of reaction. Here X plus Y is called order of reaction. So molecularity, it is a theoretical concept, that is the total number of molecules of here, sum of the number of molecules of A and B taking part in the reaction, while the order of reaction, it is experimental concept in which the X be the number of moles of A and Y be the number of moles of B actually taking part in the reaction, that is called a order of reaction. So molecularity, it is always integral. Molecularity, it is always integral. Suppose n equal to 1 या फिर molecularity equal to 1, such reactions are called a unimolecular reaction. Suppose the molecularity is 2, that is called a bimolecular reaction. N equal to 3, that is called a trimolecular या फिर termolecular reaction. If the molecularity is 1, then it is called unimolecular reaction. If the molecularity is 2, then it is called bimolecular reaction. If the n equal to 3, molecularity is 3, that is called a termolecular reaction. Now the molecularity always non-zero. Molecularity is always non-zero. But order of reaction, that is if the value of X plus Y equal to 0, then such reactions are called a zero order reaction. X plus Y equal to 1 called a first order reaction. X plus Y equal to 2 called a second order reaction. X plus Y equal to 3 called a third order reaction. या फिर X plus Y equal to fractional. So the order of reaction may be, zero, integral as well as fractional. Zero, integral as well as fractional. So molecularity, it is a theoretical concept, while order of reaction, it is a experimental concept. Molecularity does not depend on the temperature, pressure, any other factors, while order of reaction depends on the temperature, pressure, other factor. Molecularity always non-zero and integral values, while the order of reaction may be 0, integral or a fractional. So ये हो गया difference between the order of reaction and molecularity of the reaction. Okay.